Okay. There you go.
Now?
Yep.
Did you say?
Try not to destroy the boxes.
Why are you going so slow?
Because that's the only present they get to open.
No. What about Grandma's present?
What?
Slippers.
Awesome!
Pajamas.
Oh, that's it?
Yep, that's it.
Ooh.
Now you can go put them on and get ready to watch a movie.
I opened the box.
Can you put these things on? Oh, these things are comfortable.
Now I don't have to feel your little cold feetsies.
No.
Don't wear them outside.
I know. These are not for sheetsies.
My box won't open. Who taped this? Fuzzy socks.
And I get fuzzy slippers. And I like shoes. Awesome. I like these things. And they sound like shoes too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now you guys can go put your pajamas on and come watch the movie.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
I did on everything because they don't fit. So try stuff on first because some of the stores had to
Oh,
have
stop bouncing.
tags on to return them.
You're gonna have to have those cut, Nikki.
So I don't remember which stores they were. So